In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this full circle butterfly sleeve. Okay, so stay tuned. What's up schoolmates, welcome back once again to class. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys with this fabric here how to achieve a perfect circle sleeve. Okay, so you will not have something like the picture you are seeing right now on the screen. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. So guys, notice that my fabric is on fold, so you have to go ahead and place your fabric also on fold, and after that you have to determine your sleeve length. So for me, I'll be using 9 1/4 for my sleeve length, and I'm going to mark it out, and that's what I'm doing right now, marking out 9 1/4. So the sleeve length depends on you. You can make yours 10, 12, okay, it solely depends on you. So as I continue marking this out, still 9 1/4 all through. So whatever you are using as your sleeve length, that is what you are going to mark all through before tracing it out. So let's trace it out. So now guys, now that I've marked this out, I'm going to cut it out. In case your fabric may displace, you can decide to pin it down just like I did to mine. So now guys, now that we are done cutting our fabric, I'm going to spread this out like this, okay, and you see we have a circle here. All right, now you see this line here, I'm going to mark on it. It is going to serve as a baseline for us to achieve a perfect circle. It is going to help us to achieve a perfect sleeve circle. Now I'm going to draw another line across this one, okay. If you want, you can still fold this like this and try and bring out a fence line that will guide you to draw your actual line. So can you see that? So now I'm going to place my ruler and draw on this line that I can see. So this is it. So this is it guys. Now I'm going to work with the 3.4 inches we got earlier on, that is dividing our armhole circumference by 6.28, right? So I'm going to place my tape here now, and I'll mark out my 3.4, okay. So this is the 3.4 inches here. So now I'm going to rotate my tape like so. So now guys, I'm done cutting this out, and this is what I have, okay. I'm going to place this on the mannequin for you guys to see the outcome of what we just did, okay. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so I'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So guys, this is the look of the circle sleeve we just cut out now. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Also click on the notification bell so that you get every video on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.